Hello pretties and welcome back to the TheLipstickholic YouTube channel. I am Huda Naveed and today I'm here with another exciting video for you girls. Yes, this is a makeup tutorial video and not just any makeup tutorial. This is an Eid Glam makeup look. As you can see, I'm wearing my earrings. I'm all glowy and blingy. I'm literally glowing right now because this is an Eid makeup look, and as Eid is approaching, so I wanted to create an Eid makeup look for you girls. So here is an Eid Glam makeup look for you girls exclusively. But the best part is this is super easy to create. I have used just one eyeshadow to create this eye look. Just single eyeshadow. Can you believe that? Yes, it's going to be really simple, really quick, really easy, yet glamorous. If you want to know how I created this look, keep watching the video. So I'm going to start with the primer, and the primer I'm using is Artdeco Skin Perfecting Makeup Base. For foundation, I am using Masarrat Misbah Silk Foundation in shade Fair. So I have done my brows off the camera, and for brows I have used Masarrat Misbah Makeup Brow Palette in shade medium. Now for my eyes, I am firstly using this Too Faced Shadow Insurance Anti-Crease Eyeshadow Primer. Yes, this is a sample sized one, which is great for testing the product first before investing into it. So I am priming my eyes using this product. For eyeshadow, I'm taking this ColourPop Semi-Precious Eyeshadow Palette. I'm taking the shade Bashful and I'm applying it all over my lid area. I'm using Sigma Beauty E57 Firm Shader Brush to apply it. Next, I'm taking Sigma Beauty E38 Diffused Crease Brush, and I'm using it to blend the corners and edges of the shade that we applied. I'm blending the same shade using a circular motion with this brush and taking it above my crease area, making sure to blend it well and also to blend the outer corners. Next, I'm taking the same shade that I applied on my eyes on the tip of Sigma Beauty E57, and I'm applying this shade right below my eyes. Now I'm taking Color Studio Professional Kohl Edit Pencil in shade Black, and I'm applying it on my waterline as kohl or kajal. Adding 2 coats of L'Oreal Mega Volume Collagen 24 Hours Mascara. I have added false lashes off the camera, and these lashes are from AliExpress. It's time to apply concealer, and I'm using Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in shade C6. I'm using Sigma Beauty P88 to blend the concealer. Now applying Essence All About Matte Fixing Compact Powder under my eyes and all over my face. I'm using Tarte buffing brush for this step. Now for that glow, I am using Zay Beauty Drama Glow Highlighter in shade Tara. This is their powder highlighter. I'm using Sigma Beauty F35 to apply and blend it. Now usually I apply highlighter after applying my blusher, but today I'm applying it before applying the blusher because I am going to use the same highlighter to complete my eye look too. I'm taking the same highlighter on Sigma Beauty E32 and I'm using it to highlight my brow bone. And I'm also applying it on the inner corner of my eyes. Time to add some color to the cheeks, and for that I am using Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in shade Ornate. I'm using Sigma Beauty F40 to apply and blend the blusher. Since this is an Eid Glam look, so I'm going for bold lips. And for lips, I am using MAC Cosmetics Flat Out Fabulous. Using Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, cucumber and green tea to set my makeup. Okay, so that is all for today. You can use any other color instead of the one that I have used in this eye look. You can use any eyeshadow with a satin-like finish. You can go for a bronze shade or a coppery shade or a gold shade or even a metallic green, whatever goes well with your Eid outfit. And this kind of eye makeup will surely make your eyes pop without being too dramatic and too intense, and you're definitely going to look beautiful in this sort of look. If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to leave your lovely kind comments. Leave your suggestions, recommendations, any requests if you have, leave them in the comment box. And yes, share your lovely Eid messages too. I would love to see them. Also, make sure to hit the subscribe button, yes, the one below, and turn on the bell notifications. You'll be seeing me very soon in another video on the Lipstickholic YouTube channel. Till then, take care and goodbye and Eid Mubarak.